followed the policy directive that was made on August 28th, which originated in discussion between the Mayor, Las Vegas, and the Department of Economic and Housing Development, and their attorney, Clyde August. August wanted to thank the city, the Newark City Council, and the Mayor of Newark for their continuing hard work in defending the rights of tenants in Newark. I ask you to continue to work with our leaders, National Bureau, Mitch Hahn of the New Jersey Tenants Organization, to tighten up the language of the demand control ordinance. This is needed to defend the city of Newark in the event that litigation is pursued by landlords or landlord alike. The people of Newark come from different backgrounds and different faiths, and many have moved here from all parts of the world. But we have a few things in common. We want our government to represent us and to advance our quality of life. We want Newark to improve. We want every neighborhood, every building in Newark to improve. We want you to defend us when necessary from the excesses of the landlords, and we appreciate this wholeheartedly. We want to keep our buildings safe, clean, and quiet. And to do that, and to that extent, we want the full cooperation of our elected officials, our city administration, and the various departments of Newark. My family has lived at 380 Northwest Avenue for over 12 years, and in that short time, we have seen at least 4 different owners and over a dozen property managers. Sometimes things improve, and sometimes they get worse. We were without security guards in our lobby for 25 months, from April 2007 to May 2009. This was a terrible and a horrible time for our building. Many of the best families moved out, and many of the people moving in were people who would never, ever move to a building with lobby security. I'm talking about tenants who want their guests to be able to come and go at all hours of the night without having to show the ID to a security guard or sign in. They are often no good. No amount of security cameras are ever going to replace a guard checking IDs and logging in visitors. Security works when the guards know us and when we know them. This cannot be accomplished remotely without a guard in the lobby. The word circulating around our complex is that security will be consolidated to one central location, either in one of the lobbies or an exterior booth. This means there won't be guards in one or both of the lobbies. This is a serious problem. If it is necessary to lighten the language of the security guard